on plants, and today in the Coco Kitchen we're going to whip up some deconstructed sushi bowls. So the reason why I've chosen this recipe today is because it's quick and easy to make, super healthy, and you can customize it to whatever ingredients you like. So right now I just have some brown rice cooking at the back, but in the meantime I've just chosen these veggies to use, and I also have some thinly sliced nori to just add on top. I've chosen to use some firm tofu, and I'm then going to cube that and fry it off.